Welcome, friends, to a journey. We're diving deep into the heart of the Caribbean, a place where the intoxicating rhythm of life washes over you like a warm wave. This isn't about brochures and staged smiles. This is about the real deal. We're talking sun-drenched beaches, sure, but also the gritty, vibrant soul of these islands. The history, the food, the music, a potent cocktail of cultures, each island a unique blend of flavors. So grab a drink, settle in, and get ready to explore 7 Caribbean nations that will steal a piece of your heart. Trust me, you're gonna want to pack your bags for this one. Jamaica, land of reggae, jerk chicken, and a whole lot of soul. This island hits you like a shot of pure adrenaline. We're talking about climbing Dunn's River Falls, the roar of the water drowning out everything but the moment. We're talking about the smell of jerk spice filling the air, the taste of that perfectly charred chicken a revelation. And the music, man. Reggae born in the streets, a soundtrack to life itself. You feel it in your bones, this rhythm that connects you to something bigger. But Jamaica is more than just a party. This is a country with a history as rich and complex as its people. From the legacy of slavery to the fight for independence, Jamaica wears its scars with pride. Take a walk through the Bob Marley Museum in Kingston, feel the weight of his words, the power of his message. Visit the Blue Mountains, breathe in the cool mountain air, and taste the world's finest coffee. Jamaica is a place to lose yourself and find yourself all at once. It's an assault on the senses, a journey into the heart of a culture that pulsates with life. Don't just visit Jamaica, experience it. The Bahamas. Mention those 2 words and most people picture pristine beaches and turquoise waters. And yeah, they're not wrong, but to reduce the Bahamas to just that is a damn shame. Sure, you can spend your days lounging on Pink Sands Beach, the sand soft as powdered sugar. You can swim with pigs in Exuma, a surreal experience that'll have you questioning reality. But dig a little deeper and you'll find a culture as vibrant as the coral reefs that surround these islands. Head to Nassau, the capital, and wander through the historic streets. Check out the pastel-colored colonial buildings, a reminder of a bygone era. Get lost in the straw market, a sensory overload of colors, smells, and the sounds of vendors hawking their wares. Bargain for a handmade basket, a piece of the Bahamas to take home with you. And then there's the food. Conch salad, fresh and tangy, bursting with flavor. Cracked conch, deep fried to perfection. And of course, no trip to the Bahamas is complete without a taste of their legendary rum cake. The Bahamas is more than just a pretty face. It's a place to relax, recharge, and reconnect with the simple pleasures in life. It's a place to discover hidden gems and create memories that will last a lifetime. The Dominican Republic, a land of contrasts where towering mountains meet sparkling seas, where ancient history collides with modern-day life. This is a country that will surprise you at every turn. Start in Santo Domingo, the oldest European city in the Americas. Walk the cobblestone streets, marvel at the colonial architecture, and feel the weight of history all around you. Visit the Cathedral Primada de America, the first cathedral built in the New World. Imagine the stories those walls could tell, then escape the city and head for the hills. The Dominican Republic is home to some of the most diverse landscapes in the Caribbean. Hike through lush rainforests, marvel at cascading waterfalls, and cool off in hidden swimming holes. And for the adventurous, there's always kiteboarding in Cabaret, a world-renowned spot for catching some serious air. But no matter how you choose to spend your time in the Dominican Republic, one thing's for sure, you'll leave with a newfound appreciation for the beauty and resilience of this incredible country. Puerto Rico, the Island of Enchantment. Puerto Rico, the Island of Enchantment. And let me tell you, it lives up to its name. This is a place where the rhythm of salsa music pulses through the streets, where the food explodes with flavor, and where the people welcome you with open arms. Start your journey in Old San Juan, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Get lost in the maze of cobblestone streets, admire the colorful colonial buildings, and soak up the vibrant atmosphere. Visit El Morro, the 16th century fortress that guards the entrance to San Juan Bay. Imagine the battles those walls have witnessed. Then, escape the city and head for El Yunque National Forest, the only tropical rainforest in the U.S. National Forest System. Hike through the lush vegetation, marvel at cascading waterfalls, and listen for the calls of exotic birds. And for a truly unforgettable experience, visit Mosquito Bay in Vieques, home to one of the brightest bioluminescent bays in the world. Kayak through the water at night and watch as the microorganisms light up with every stroke of your paddle. It's like something out of a dream. Puerto Rico is a place where you can experience the best of both worlds, the vibrant energy of a city and the tranquility of nature. Cuba, a journey back in time. Cuba, a time capsule of a country frozen in amber since the revolution. Stepping foot in Havana is like stepping back in time. Vintage American cars cruise down the Malecon, their chrome gleaming in the Caribbean sun. The air is thick with the scent of cigar smoke and the sound of salsa music drifting from open doorways. This is a city that seduces you with its faded grandeur, its gritty charm. Start your Cuban adventure in Old Havana, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Wander through the cobblestone streets, admire the crumbling colonial architecture, and soak up the unique atmosphere. Visit the Plaza de la Catedral, home to the Catedral de San Cristobal de la Habana, a stunning example of Cuban Baroque architecture. Then head to the Museo de la Revolución, housed in the former presidential palace, to learn about Cuba's tumultuous history. But Cuba is more than just its cities. Head out into the countryside and discover a land of rolling tobacco fields, lush valleys, and pristine beaches. Visit Vinales, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and marvel at the mogotes, towering limestone formations that rise up from the valley floor. Go for a swim in a cenote, a natural sinkhole filled with crystal clear water. And of course, no trip to Cuba is complete without a taste of their legendary cuisine. Start with ropa vieja, a slow-cooked shredded beef dish that's bursting with flavor. Then move on to lechon asado, slow-roasted pork that's crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. And for a truly authentic experience, wash it all down with a mojito, Cuba's national cocktail. Barbados. Rum, history, and island soul. Barbados. The land of flying fish, endless beaches, and a history as rich and complex as its rum. This is an island that knows how to relax, how to celebrate, and how to make you feel right at home. Start your journey in Bridgetown, the island's capital. Wander through the streets, a mix of colonial architecture and modern buildings. Visit the Parliament Buildings, a beautiful example of Gothic Revival architecture. Head to the Garrison Savannah, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and witness a horse race. But Barbados is more than just its cities. Discover a world of powdery white sand beaches, crystal clear turquoise waters, and swaying palm trees. And of course, no trip to Barbados is complete without a taste of their legendary rum. Visit Mount Gay Rum Distillery, the oldest rum distillery in the world. Barbados is an island that gets under your skin. It's a place where you can relax, recharge, and reconnect with what's important in life. Trinidad and Tobago, the Caribbean's cultural powerhouse. Trinidad and Tobago, 2 islands, 1 nation, 1,000 different experiences. This is the Caribbean's cultural powerhouse, a place where African, Indian, Chinese, and European influences collide to create something truly unique. Start your journey in Port of Spain, Trinidad's vibrant capital. Wander through the streets, a kaleidoscope of colors, sounds, and smells, and soak up the energy of this bustling city. Visit the Magnificent Seven, a group of historic buildings that line Queen's Park, Savannah, including the Queen's Royal College and the National Museum and Art Gallery. Then head to the National Academy for the Performing Arts, a stunning architectural masterpiece, and catch a performance by some of Trinidad and Tobago's most talented artists. But Trinidad is more than just its cities. Head out to the Asa Wright Nature Center, a world-renowned bird sanctuary, and marvel at the diversity of avian life. Go for a hike through the rainforest to the mud volcanoes, a surreal and otherworldly experience. And of course, no trip to Trinidad and Tobago is complete without experiencing Carnival, the island's biggest and most colorful celebration. Join the revelers on the streets, dance to the infectious rhythms of soca and calypso music, and let yourself be swept away by the energy of this unforgettable event. Trinidad and Tobago is a place that will stay with you long after you've left. It's a place where you can experience the true meaning of diversity, where you can immerse yourself in a culture that's both familiar and exotic, and where you can create memories that will last a lifetime. So there you have it, 7 Caribbean nations, each with its own distinct personality, its own story to tell. From the reggae beats of Jamaica to the vibrant culture of Trinidad and Tobago, the Caribbean offers a feast for the senses. We've only scratched the surface here, folks. There's a whole world waiting to be explored in these islands, hidden gems just waiting to be discovered. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and find your own Caribbean adventure. And hey, while you're at it, tell us about your favorite Caribbean destinations in the comments below. We're always looking for new places to explore. Safe travels, my friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Let us know in the comments which Caribbean country you would love to visit.